you'll see I've got the party wagon here right behind me because I decided to take a family trip to Vegas, and we're going to take a look at one of the best experiences that you can have with your clothes on. Row here where all the fancy cars are happening. Let's go for a ride. I think I'm gonna take one of these cars out for a drive. Which one do you think I should drive? Gotta love the 458 Italia. This looks like it might be a winner. Let's go for a ride. What an amazing ride experience that was. You can't get that anywhere else. So like I said, when you come to Vegas, you gotta check these guys out. This is one of the best times ever with your clothes on. Honestly, there's nothing better to do than a hot sunny day in a Ferrari or Lamborghini. It doesn't get better than this. So now it's time to get back in the party wagon. Gonna head off and do some shopping. All right, see you later.